Injection wiring part 3 for the Monza GSE. This actually covers the ignition wiring loom, which in a way is part and parcel of the injection system and is linked into it. So here we have the coil, which is fed by power from the main wiring loom here with this plug. This plug, by the way, often gives problems because it's just 3 pins exposed to the elements and they corrode. And then you come to start the car and then it simply won't go. 9 times out of 10, the reason is that these terminals are dirty and corroded. So if you clean them up and put them back together again like that, hopefully the car will start. So the Monza GSE has electronic ignition timing control in addition to the vacuum operated timing, which is still present. And basically there's a wiring loom which I'm holding in my hand here that plugs into the ignition control unit, screwed into the back of the coil mounting bracket. It's important to have electrical paste, by the way, between this little ICU and the bracket for heat dissipation, I believe. I'm not sure what the correct name for the paste is. And then this ignition wiring loom has a little branch which goes to this sensor here, which is an air temperature sensor with 2 terminals on it. And that's what that bracket is for, that is supplied in the kit of parts for the conversion. It's just spot welded on, as you can see there. Although if you don't want to go to that trouble to make it original, you could position this sensor anywhere at some convenient point somehow. And then the wiring goes back to this ignition timing ECU, which is screwed to the left hand inner wing. And then interfaces with the injection loom here with this plug and with the vacuum operated switch there with this T-piece plug, and this goes to the throttle body, this vacuum pipe. That completes this introduction to the ignition and injection wiring loom on the Monza GSE.